Hey there, folks! Are you tired of playing hide and seek with those pesky roaches in your home? Well, stick around because today, I've got the ultimate solution that's going to change your life. I'm talking about the biggest benefit you've been waiting for, a home that's roach-free. Imagine the peace of mind, the cleanliness, and the freedom from constant worry. That's right, we're tackling the biggest problem head-on, and I'm here to show you the way. Now, I know you're wondering why you should care about what I have to say. Let me tell you, my friend, because your home is your sanctuary, and the last thing you want is unwanted guests crawling around. Today, I'm not just going to talk about a product, I'm going to introduce you to a game changer, a solution that will transform your living space and bring back the comfort you deserve. So, stick with me, and let's dive into the heart of the matter. Picture this, you're enjoying a quiet evening at home, and suddenly, you spot those creepy crawlers scurrying across your kitchen floor. It's not just a minor inconvenience, it's a problem that's impacting your peace of mind, your health, and your overall well-being. But what's even worse? The future pace. Imagine the infestation spreading, the frustration building, and the constant fear of what could be lurking in the corners of your home. It's a nightmare scenario, and I'm here to tell you, it doesn't have to be your reality, but fear not. I've got the solution you've been searching for, a revolutionary roach elimination method that not only solves the problem, but prevents it from coming back. Introducing our Roach-Free Assurance Kit, the game changer you've been waiting for. This isn't just another product, it's a commitment to a roach-free home, and I'm about to tell you why you should believe in it. Now, you might be thinking, why should I trust this solution? Great question. I'm not just here to sell you a product, I'm here as your roach-fighting ally. Our team of experts has spent years researching, testing, and refining the Roach-Free Assurance Kit to ensure it's not only effective but also safe for your family and pets. We've partnered with top entomologists, and our solution is backed by scientific research, giving you the confidence that you're investing in a proven and reliable method. But let's not just take my word for it. I've got the proof right here. Picture this, hundreds of satisfied customers who were once in your shoes, frustrated, worried, and tired of dealing with roach infestations. They took a leap of faith with the Roach-Free Assurance Kit and experienced a transformation in their homes. We've got testimonials pouring in, sharing success stories of how this solution not only eliminated roaches, but also created a safer, healthier living environment. Now, let's talk about the benefits, because this isn't just about getting rid of roaches. It's about reclaiming your life. Imagine waking up in the morning without the dread of finding roaches in your bathroom or kitchen. Visualize hosting dinners without the fear of embarrassing roach appearances. That's the functional benefit, effective roach elimination. But it goes beyond that. It's the dimensionalized benefit of promoting health and hygiene in your home, protecting your property value, and ultimately, regaining control of your living space. Emotionally, it's the peace of mind, the confidence in the safety of your home, and the freedom to truly enjoy your living space. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, our irresistible offer. Order the Roach-Free Assurance Kit today, and you'll receive not just a product but a complete solution. The kit includes our advanced roach repellent, a step-by-step guide crafted by our experts, and exclusive access to our support team for any questions or concerns. But that's not all. We're offering free shipping and a limited-time bonus booklet filled with expert tips for maintaining a pest-free home. I know you're excited, but don't let this opportunity slip away. Call 888-217-8756 now and secure your Roach-Free Assurance Kit. It's a no-brainer with our 30-day satisfaction guarantee. Try the kit, see the results, and if you're not completely satisfied, we'll refund your purchase, no questions asked. But act fast because we have limited stock at this introductory price. This is your chance to say goodbye to roach-related stress and hello to a cleaner, safer home. Now, let's talk about what happens if you don't take action. The roach problem won't magically disappear, in fact, it's likely to get worse. Picture more sightings, more frustration, and a constant battle that drains your time, energy, and wallet. Do you really want to let the problem fester when there's a proven solution at your fingertips? Here's the urgency, the clock is ticking. Our introductory price won't last forever, and the sooner you act, the sooner you'll experience the joy of a roach-free home. Don't let this moment slip away. Call 888-217-8756 right now and take the first step towards a brighter, roach-free future. Let's restate those benefits one more time, because I want you to envision the incredible transformation awaiting you. A home free from roach sightings, a healthier living environment, and the peace of mind you deserve. It's not just a purchase, it's an investment in your well-being. So, what are you waiting for? Make that call to 888-217-8756, order your Roach-Free Assurance Kit, and take the first step towards a cleaner, safer, and happier home. Don't let roaches dictate the way you live. You have the power to change your reality, and it starts with a simple call. Before we wrap up, I want to thank you for joining me today. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, comment below with your thoughts, and share this video with anyone who's tired of dealing with roach problems. And hey, if you want more tips on maintaining a pest-free home, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Together, we can create a community of homes free from the tyranny of roaches. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay roach-free.